10 diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith diwrnod 8. Day 8 Navigation. Heddiw, da chi'n mynd yn ôl I Ynys Môn. Today you'll be visiting Barclodiad y Gawres Burial Chamber, Bryn Celli Du Burial Chamber, and Beaumaris Castle. Gyrwch I siambr gladdu Barclodiad y Gawres, LL63 5TE. Leave the A55 at junction 5 and head towards Rhosnaker. If needed, there are toilets, shops and cafes in the village. Siambr gladdu Barclodiad y Gawres, LL63 5TE. Carry on down the A4080 to Porth Tre Castell and park in the car park above the beach. You will be here for about an hour. Cerddwch at y siambr gladdu. Walk down the path at the top of the cliff towards the burial chamber, reading the interpretation information on the way. Ewch I mewn i'r siambr gladdu. Explore around and inside the chamber. There is a task to complete while you are here. Gyrwch I siambr gladdu Bryn Celli Du, LL61 6EQ. Head south along the A4080 through Aberfraw. After going through Bryn Shanken and before reaching Plas Newydd, you will see the road sign to turn left for Bryn Celli Du. Maes parcio siambr gladdu Bryn Celli Du. Park in the free car park and read the interpretation information displays about the Neolithic history of Anglesey. Y siambr gladdu. Walk along the path to the burial chamber. Read the interpretation information and complete the 2 tasks. Amser cinio. From the car park, head back to the main road and turn left towards Menai Bridge. The National Trust property at Plas Newydd and the village of Menai Bridge are 2 good options to stop for lunch. There is a task about the dream of Rhonabwy. Gyrwch I Beaumaris, LL58 8RA. Travel through Menai Bridge on the A545 to Beaumaris. When you reach Beaumaris, drive through the town centre, past the castle and to the car park on your left after the park. Castell Beaumaris. You may have to pay for entry if you are not a member of Cadw. Explore the castle and complete the 3 tasks. Tref Beaumaris. After visiting the castle, explore the town and seafront and write your postcard from the day. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.